class. I am Sujal Shah, senior teacher, Angaria High School, Angaria Suratpur. Class 7, subject English second paper. Now I discuss tense. Do you know tense? Anytime is signals of tense. We find out the tense three items: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense is always the present circular and the symbol in am, is, are. Past tense, the past item is the single in the was, were. Future is the future items is the shall, will. If you collection, you know the singles of the tense, you must be know the to be verb. Symbol in the to be verb, you selected the tense item. Every kinds of tense, the four items as example: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Do you know the present indefinite tense signals that is the signals of the many verbs and others the to be verbs. If you find out the to be verbs, the am, is, are, was, shall, will, have, has, etc. And past is the was, future the shall, will. And the example, you must be selected the tense item. The I ate rice is the always present tense. Past tense I ate rice, and the future tense I shall eat rice. The three items you must be selected the three item tense. Every kinds of tense the four item. The example you follow, and the signals the symboling. I selected the some slides you must be selected and answering this question. Follow the slide. How are you? Sujan Shah, Angaria High School, Angaria Suratpur. Listen English grammar, tense, class 7. Look at the picture. Follow. I read in this school. Read, is always present tense. I was a student on this school. Was always past tense. I shall read in this school. Shall, future tense. Follow? Again try to say their view. I read in this school. I was a student of this school. I shall read in this school. My dear students, do you imagine what do you have expressed? Follow? 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 Are you sure? Our today topics is tense, learning outcomes. Follow? Classification. Follow? There are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. Follow? Four items, every kinds of tense, four items. Classification: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Structure follow. You need is the right side. Past tense structure follow. Future tense structure follow. Follow? If you understand that tense, you must be fill up this gap. At first you follow the below the words and the selected and items you must be selected and the divided in this sentence. Group work. Change the following sentence according to the direction. Make a chart of tense. I hope you understand tense. Again, I say tense is very important in grammar. It's a salt in grammar. I must be understand and you must be understand the topics is very important. It progress must be your knowledgeable side. You learn English, man, you learn the English vocabulary, you learn the reading, writing, other side. You must be no tense. We find out the three item tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense is the signals, the am is are, past tense signals was, were, future tense signal shall, will. Every kinds of tense, the four items, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. And every tense must be selected, the items, the verb, the verb to be verb, auxiliary verb to be verb, you know, am is, are, was, were, shall, will, have, has, etc. And give me the structures and the other side you follow. I selected you the some verb, the do, did, done, eat, ate, eaten, no, knew, none, can, could, see, saw, seen, make, made, arrive, arrived, go, went, gone, write, wrote, written. Is the symbolic verbs is needs for the all sides. If you collection these sides, you must be selected the several tense. So tense is very important. Your grammar, structures, and other side. You solve the table and the other side punctuation mark. And if the collection any side, you must be several the tense and the solving tense. Tense is very important for any grammar. I hope you saw this invitation and the slide, and you must be understand this slide. I follow and you follow. There is the selection, the items, the tense is very important for your English grammar. English is very easy if you know that tense. Tense is the at first knowledge, the having side. So you must be know tense side. Tense the very important. Six, not only six, but also use the theory class theory. You find out the theory items, the tense. Theory class three, you know the three items. The four, you must be know that the four item every kind tense. Is the selection side, you follow the primary states, but at present not the states. If you collection, you must be day by day progress, and you know that a lot of learning English. You must be vocabulary states your heart, brain. You must be easily making sentence, easily making tense, easily making verb, easily making such all side. You must be several for your structure and the other verbing side. I hope you must be understand, my dear students. You must be travel for you the working states is the collection. When you read and write, you must be follow the tense side. Know the understand side, so the tense it is not the any sentence. If you collection the right side any sentence, you must be follow that's the tense. You the secondly follow the sentence of five item, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, exclamative sentence. But when you make the sentence, you must be selected at first the tense. So it is very important for grammar. Not only grammar side, but also when you read side, the reading side, writing side, you follow these lines. If you find out the tense, so you the select is the where I find the tense side, the verb side. Easily, my dear students, verb side. Do, I do it. It is bad which sentence, which tense. So you follow, it is the present tense. Do, always present tense. I ate rice, but I don't know at what is the Estonish side. It is the very Estonish side. No, you. If you collection the verb list, you know that eat, ate, eaten. Eat, always the past tense. Secondly, you follow. Thirdly, you follow. I shall eat rice. I don't know. You must be know that you are very experienced in this class, my dear. Is the joyful side. I shall. If you know that's the shall is signal the future tense. I shall do it. Do always the present tense. So always a future indefinite tense. That's so you must be select tense is very easily. You must be solve the to be verb and the other part. The making sentence easily you follow, and other side, my dear students, you follow the sentence, follow the tense, follow the verb, follow the degree, follow the other side. Always needs for the tense. Tense is very easily, you know that's the time. Singly you follow the same only the time, the month, year, period, and other categories single that easily called the tense. Easily called tense. The I go to a school at 10 o'clock is the always the time signal. Is the always present tense. I hope you must be understood, my dear students. It is not very hard. It is very easy side. If you collection that every day, a lot of word is for your heart, and you must be selected that any learning English. English is very easy. You know, you always understand the tense side, sentence side, verb sense and others. You must be selected the sentence, tense, and easily other solving. Every kinds of sentence easy side, every kinds of verb side easily side, and every tense is very easily. Tense is our grammar solved. So you must be know that without tense I cannot make a sentence. So it is very need for you, not only you but also any learner. You must be know, understand in this side. I hope all students learn in these topics. It is very neat for you the whole life. So you must be practice day by day, progress your knowledge. I hope all are well. You are very understand this topic side. You are very clear tense. So I hope you all well. Thanks you very much. Okay.